everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tasha. So today I am doing a haul video, and I know a lot of you guys love my hauls, so I thought I would sit down and do one for you. I think I'm going to try and post a haul a month. I feel like that kind of makes sense of the stuff that I have picked up that month. Before I get on into showing you guys the items, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I do lots of hauls on this channel if that's what you like. And if you guys like my style, you should definitely consider going and following me on Instagram. It's just at Tasha. I'm always posting outfit photos and updating you on my life in my stories. So most of the items in this haul are from Revolve because they were so generous to give me some items. But then after that stuff, I also have a bunch of loungewear that I have recently accumulated. So I'm excited to show you guys that because I know everyone is living in loungewear right now. So to start off the haul, I'm actually wearing this blue bodysuit that I got from Revolve. I think it's a really nice basic, and I've been loving this color lately. But yeah, I thought I'd wear it for the video. Next up is this top that I've actually been wearing a bunch. It's this little white kind of stringy top, but it ties in the front. Once again, you guys will probably see better in the try-on clip, but I think this is like the perfect summer top, and with a tan, I absolutely love this. I just turned on my fan because, as I say, I feel like in every video, I don't have air conditioning in this apartment, so it gets pretty hot when I have all my lights on me. So if you guys can hear that fan noise, I'm sorry. Okay, next top is another piece that I think is so cute for the summer and just for the beach and stuff like that. And beaches just reopened here in LA, which is really nice because they were closed for a while, so I'm really glad that they're open again. And I think this top is perfect. It's just this little crocheted long sleeve top, and it's just like a nice nudie tan color, so I love this. Even this with like some denim shorts and like messy beachy hair is so cute. As you guys can probably tell, I really love Revolve's bodysuits, and I think most of the bodysuits that I get from Revolve are the Privacy Please brand. That's like one of my favorite brands that they have. So this is another bodysuit that I really love. It's like a one shoulder ribbed bodysuit, but I really liked how it had this knot here, and it's just like a great basic. It literally goes with everything, so love this, and I've already worn this. Next up is this adorable little coral tank top. I'm always living in these spaghetti strap tops over the summer because I sweat so much, so not having an arm to get sweat stains on is ideal. I know that's like not the most glamorous thing to say, but it's true. I have two kind of more loungewear pieces from Revolve. So first is this hoodie, and the quality on this is so nice. It's just like a gray slightly cropped hoodie, and there's nothing on the front, but on the back it has this really cool kind of queen playing card graphic, and it's kind of like 3D vibes with pink. It's really hard to explain, but I thought the graphic was really cool. This is by the brand Girlfriend, which does a lot of denim that I love. So on the sleeve it also says Girlfriend up the sleeve. I have a lot of black leggings, but I figured I would try the ones from Revolve because you can never have too many pairs of black leggings. So I grabbed these ones. These are more of like a cropped fit, and the material is definitely more of like an athletic material, but they just look like this. I mean, nothing too crazy. They're just cropped black leggings, but they're really soft and the material is really nice, so I figured I would add these to my collection. I have two pairs of jeans from Revolve. These are both the Carolina Skinny, I believe. This first pair I have already worn, and they are definitely going to be one of my favorite pairs of jeans. I had to cut the bottom, and then I just cut them once because I am really short, but I like how that looks. And they're just like a normal light to mid-wash denim, but they have like the perfect rips at the knees. Their denim is really thick and like vintagey feeling, which I personally like with my denim. So that is the first pair. And the second pair is pretty similar. It's just a lighter wash, but there aren't any rips in the knees. I haven't worn these ones yet, so I'm probably going to have to cut the bottoms because once again they are just a little bit too long. I've been debating trying to do like a sewing hack and keep the original bottoms because I like how these bottoms look, but I don't think I'm really skilled enough with my sewing machine to test that out on pricey jeans. So we will see if I decide to try and do a little sewing DIY, or if I just decide to cut a raw hem, because I like a raw hem, but I also like having different hems in my jeans, so I don't want to cut all of them. I have two dresses from Revolve. The first one is this beautiful olive green slip dress, and it's kind of like a midi length. I just love the top of it. The material is so nice and soft, and it just goes down to a midi length, which is really pretty. So Love this color. Definitely gonna love this for the summer when things start to reopen. Okay, and the other dress I got is one of those things when you have nowhere to wear it, but it's just so pretty that you get it and then you save it for a time that you can wear it. But I feel like this would be a perfect guest for a wedding dress. I don't really know anyone getting married anytime soon whose wedding I would be invited to, but I feel like this would be so cute for like a summer wedding. It's this bright yellow color and I loved how the cups look, and it has little tie sleeves, and then it just goes down in a ton ruffles. Yeah, this dress is beautiful. Maybe I will find somewhere to wear it, or maybe I'll just do like a photo shoot. The last clothing item from Revolve is really cute, but it doesn't fit me right for one reason. It looks like this. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but it's like a little wrap top. The only problem is the sleeve holes are too small for my arm, which is really interesting because I feel like I have a fairly small arm to begin with, and this isn't an extra small, so maybe I should have gotten a small, but the armholes just are not stretchy at all, and they're like buttoned, so I could unbutton them and wear this, but then it just looks a little bit weird. Let me know what you guys think I should do about that, because overall it is a really cute top. I can't get it past this point on my arm comfortably, and you can see it just doesn't really work. I of course had to get some bikinis from Revolve. I already showed these in one of my previous vlogs, so you might have seen them, but in case you haven't watched that, I figured I would show them again. I think my favorite might be this one. It's this really bright neon lime green. This material is just so soft, it's insane. And then the bottoms I like because they're a high cut bottom, which I personally think is flattering. And what I'm a little bit confused about is on the model, this ruched part was in the front, but it's a lot smaller than the other side, and personally I would rather have more coverage on the front than the back. And I also thought it would make more sense to have this ruching part like in the butt area. So when I wear these, I wear this as the front and then the little ruched part as the back, but I guess you could do it either way. But nevertheless, this swimsuit is really cute, and I promise you it's so soft. Next up, I got this one because I really liked the cut of the top. So it's just kind of like a rectangle. Now that I look at it, it's a rectangle with straps. That's what it is. And then it's really minimal in the back. And then the bottoms do have a little more coverage, which is nice because I feel like all of my bottoms are thongs basically, which I like for tanning, but sometimes you just want a little more coverage, you know what I mean? So these are the bottoms. And then I actually got that swimsuit in another color, and it's actually a different fabric as well. So this one is just white, but it's a ribbed material. Once again, same thing, rectangle with straps. And the bottoms are the same, just white and ribbed. And the last bikini I love so much. I think it's so unique, and this will not be something I'm gonna be wearing if I'm, you know, swimming in the ocean most likely, but this will be more of like a cute photo pool party bathing suit. So the top honestly looks like a top. I think you could wear this as a top with super high-rise jeans. It's just this crocheted little top, and the whole back is covered. So yeah, I really think that you could wear this as a shirt. And the bottoms are just this high-rise little crocheted bottom, and once again I just thought this was so unique and I hadn't seen anything like it. So that is all the clothing that I got from Revolve. Once again, thank you so much to them. I know Revolve is pricier, so I feel very grateful that they were willing to give me these items, but I will say that everything is really great quality. So if you do decide to purchase any of those items, know that you will be getting high quality pieces. Okay, now on to the recent loungewear activewear stuff that I've gotten. I'm very excited to show you. The first thing is a pair of biker shorts, and biker shorts used to kind of scare me, but now I'm really into it. I don't know if I'm into it where I would wear like patterned ones or wear like fashiony ones, but I'm definitely here for like the athleisure ones, and I just wanted a nice plain black pair, so I got these ones from Aloe. These need to be washed. I've worn them a bunch and I just pulled them out of my laundry basket, so if they look a little bit disheveled, that's why. But these are just the plain black biker shorts from Aloe. I got these in an extra small. I'm normally an extra small or a small in bottoms, but in Aloe I feel like they run a little bit big. So I love these, and I think the quality is really nice. And I think I have a 10% off code for Aloe, so I'll put that in the description. I mean, any little bit helps. Okay, and then I know in quarantine everyone has been loving tie-dye, and these girls on Instagram reached out to me and asked if I wanted some of their custom tie-dye, so I said yes, and I've worn these Sorry, my hair is on it. And I've worn these in some vlogs and Instagram stories, and I've gotten questions from you guys about where they're from, so I figured I would show them in this video. The first one is probably my favorite. It's just a crew neck, but it's so oversized, and I just love the colors they used on it. And then this one, I requested these colors because it reminded me of the Frankie's Bikinis tie-dye set, but that one is so crazy expensive, and I think they did a great job. It's just like this cotton candy, pink and blue, tie-dyed hoodie. And then last but certainly not least is just like this lavender, purple, and white hoodie. And their brand is Extract the Label. I will put their Instagram or their website in the description. So thank you to them. I've also been wearing these a bunch because they're so cute. Okay, and last but not least, I want to show you my new favorite style of hoodie that I got from yesstyle. I have showed these in a vlog as well, so you might be familiar with them. yesstyle is like a giant Korean marketplace, so they have a lot of Korean brands, which I think Korean fashion is so cute, and I came across these hoodies and I love them, and I feel like they look like something that Aloe would sell. So the first one that started the obsession was this lilac purple one. I love them because they're kind of cropped, but they're baggy, and they have these giant baggy sleeves, and they just look so cute. So I have it in purple, and I'm definitely someone that if I get something in one color and I love it, I have to get it in other colors. So I also got it in this light yellow color, which I just think is so fun. And these are like a light terry cloth material, so they're not too heavy. And then lastly, I just have it in this baby blue color. Alright, so that is everything that I have in this month's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be linking everything that I can down below. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!